This is one of the way DTC brands are using AI to improve their conversion rate. Let me show you. So the idea is very simple. Check your reviews, run them through AI and find what your customers are exactly saying and what is their voice. And you can use that voice in a product copy or your images to improve the conversion rate. And I'm going to show you two ways to do it. First, manually using ChatGPT, and second is the using an AI app that we built for a brand. Hey guys, I'm Vay, and I integrate AI for DTC brands, and we build lightweight AI apps for DTC brands, like automating their customer service using their brand safe voice, and that uses much better model like ChatGPT or Claude, or building a system or workflow to create or generate thousands of creatives with an auto improve feature that takes a feedback and improve itself. And typically our apps revolve around saving time, improving revenue, or cutting down the cost. And if you don't know how to use AI for your business or for your brand, then you can have a call with me and for $300, and we'll have a call. I'll ask you a few questions to basically diagnose where we can use AI in your brand or in your company. And if I don't find any workflow to save at least 5+ man hours a month, then I'll refund the full amount. So first start doing it manually. So the first thing we need to do is to copy their reviews and then running them through a ChatGPT with a prompt that I will tell you later. I'm going to use an online notepad for this. Okay, first 10 reviews pasted. So I'm going to take around 100 reviews, which would be enough for this tutorial. It will take some time, so I'm going to speed up this video. Okay, so now I have pasted on 100 reviews. So I'm going to save them as a PDF so that I can upload them to ChatGPT. So the recent model ChatGPT, that is 5.6, is quite good. It is as good as Claude Opus. I've said. So I'm going to run them through these prompts, series of 4 prompts. So if you want to download this prompt, check the link in the description below. ChatGPT. I am going to drag in the, and I'm going to copy this prompt. Reviews I have attached. I'm going to use 5.6 Soul model with medium intelligence. So it will take some time. This is insane. So I ran the reviews to the first prompt, and it gave me a JSON output. Then I used this another prompt, which is prompt 1.5, to remove the noise. Basically, they are stripping off things that appeared only once in the review. And then I ran it through the second prompt, which is to give me a detailed report. You can see for this brand. Just a minute. Yes. So what are likes? So the customers love the smell. Out of 100 reviews, 19 reviewed about smelling great, 13 reviewed about working well, and 10 reviewed about long lasting. So this brand has to focus, keep smelling great, keep it long lasting, and keep it working well. And what do the customer dislike? So some people say it wears off quickly. Some say it causes skin burning. But I want to show you a very important thing, which is voice of customer. And this is the exact phrase the customers wrote. So best deodorant ever. Mountaineer brand does work. And this brand can use these phrases in their ad copy or product description to improve the conversion rate. And this prompt actually gave them the ad hook, PDP benefit line, switching focus line, email line, or what to additionally add on the product description to potentially improve the conversion rate. You can see how good is this. So this is all prompt again up to this. Okay, now, so you have seen it done manually. Now, how about you automate it? So this is a lightweight AI app we built for a brand for just $500 that does this at a scheduled frequency. I will show you. So I'm going to paste the brand URL, and because they are using Judge Me reviews, I'm using Judge Me. You can put Looks, Trustpilot, Google. So it is going to download all the reviews and then create a report for you. And let's say I want to fetch the recent 200 reviews, and I want to keep the noise filters 2x, means anything that appeared less than 2 times will be stripped off. And I want to review or download all the reviews, all star reviews. Like for example, let's say I just want to download the 5-star reviews. Then I'm going to select 5 star, and it will filter it only 5-star reviews. Now this is where the fun begins. You can automate this report also. Like it runs every week at 9 a.m. and the email gets sent to the CEO or marketing head or whoever you want. And each analyzes all the reviews, only new reviews, which is basically came from the last run till this current run, or last end days, like last 30 days, last 90 days, last 365 days. Okay. So I'm going to analyze the reviews. It will take some time based on the number of reviews. And in the backend, it is using ChatGPT model, 5.5 model, because when we built for the brand, only the 5.5 was the latest model. But it is configurable. We can change it 5.6 or Claude Sonnet or Claude Fable if you want. Now you can see how good this look visually. I mean, ChatGPT gave the prompt, but you have it is very much verbose. You have to read every single line to understand every single thing. But see here, it is visually looking very, very, very good. So it reviewed last 100 reviews. Rating is 4.7. It gave you 2 product ideas and 170 noise is removed. But the thing that I want to show you is this. Exact words your customers use, which is pleasant scent, natural ingredient, sticky texture. It is negative, so don't use it. Okay, so first were positive. And it tells you the marketing copy from your best reviews. And you can use this in your product description to potentially improve the conversion rate. Or you can just show them as a testimonial or reviews that you receive from the customer, or highlight some reviews. Again, if you want to download these prompts, simply check the link in the description to download. That's all. Thanks, guys. And yes, subscribe if you want to know how to integrate AI for your brand, with practical use cases. Because we built AI apps for DTC brands, or integrate AI for DTC brands, so we know what work and what doesn't work.